Welcome back to the Mr. English Teacher channel, everyone. Having you here with me today makes me very happy. We are going to talk about something really basic yet vital to life. Water. Yes, exactly. The significance of drinking water and its incredible health benefits are the main topics of this film. That is not all, though. In addition to learning about water, watching this movie can help you become more proficient in speaking and listening in English. Try this entertaining tip while you are watching. Shadowing. It is simple. Simply pause the movie, pay close attention to each sentence, and then say the sentences aloud. This is a great approach to work on your fluency, intonation, and pronunciation. Are you prepared to study, practice, and maintain your hydration levels? Let we begin. Now, here's a quick task for you before we begin. If you do not have water on hand, press pause, get a glass, and take a sip with me as we converse. Okay, are you ready? Let we begin. There is so much more to water than just drinking it. In fact, it is the cornerstone of your well-being. Did you realize that water makes up over 60% of your body? Yes, exactly. You are more than half water. It is involved in almost every bodily function, including digestion, skin, and brain. What is the best part? Using water to stay healthy is easy, free, and natural. I want to start by discussing your kidneys. The kidneys are the body's own housekeepers. Toxins and waste are removed from your blood by them, allowing them to exit your body through urine. Here's the catch, though. Without adequate water, your kidneys cannot function as intended. Imagine attempting to wash dishes with very little water. You mean it does not work? Consuming adequate water aids in the removal of toxins from the body and helps avoid unpleasant issues like kidney stones. Believe me, you should definitely make sure you are hydrated if you have heard of the excruciating discomfort kidney stones can cause. Water helps with more than just that, though. Have you ever experienced an unidentified headache? Perhaps it was not sleep deprivation or stress. Dehydration might have been the cause. This is how it operates. In fact, your brain shrinks slightly when your body is dehydrated. It may sound odd, but it does happen. Those headaches are caused by the brain being pulled slightly out from the skull by this shrinkage. Does not that sound like a lot of fun? The good news is that all of that can be avoided by rehydrating. You can prevent those bothersome aches and keep your brain well padded. You might be surprised by this additional fact about water. Drinking enough water has a direct impact on your mood and lowers stress levels. Your brain functions better when you consume adequate water, making it simpler to maintain attention and think clearly. Additionally, staying hydrated lessens weariness, which can impact your mood and energy levels all day long. Dehydration, on the other hand, can cause your body to struggle to operate properly, leaving you feeling exhausted, agitated, and even stressed. Water supports your neurological system and maintains equilibrium, which helps your body cope with stress. Being hydrated makes it simpler to maintain composure and optimism. Drink water frequently to keep your mind clear and calm if you want to feel less stressed and more in control. Speaking of feeling better, you have undoubtedly observed that drinking water increases your vitality. Have you ever been depressed in the afternoon and sought for a sugary snack or a cup of coffee? Try a glass of water first the next time. This is the reason. Your body finds it difficult to supply your cells with oxygen and nourishment when you are dehydrated. That is the reason you feel lethargic. Maintaining proper hydration makes things go more smoothly and keeps your energy levels constant. Water is one of your best tools if you are listening and wondering how to control your weight. Let me share a small secret with you. Hunger is not always true hunger. You may mistakenly think that your body is craving a snack when, in reality, it is thirsty. You may prevent overeating by having a large glass of water before meals, as it will make you feel filled. In addition, water has no calories, unlike soda or other sugary beverages. Over time, simply replacing those drinks with water can have a significant impact. Healthy behaviors like these also manifest externally, you know. Your skin benefits greatly from water. One easy and natural method to make your skin appear its best is to drink water. Maintaining proper hydration keeps your skin hydrated from the inside out, which lessens flakiness and dryness. Additionally, water cleanses your skin of pollutants that might lead to imperfections, leaving it healthier and cleaner. Maintaining proper hydration increases the suppleness and smoothness of your skin while reducing the likelihood of wrinkles and fine lines. By promoting healthy blood flow, which supplies skin cells with nourishment and oxygen, it gives your skin a youthful, glowing appearance. Achieve that natural glow by drinking adequate water each day. It is simple to maintain the beauty, health, and vibrancy of your skin. Water consumption is essential for maintaining your health and fortifying your immune system. Staying hydrated makes it easier for your body to eliminate toxins, which helps you avoid getting sick. In order for oxygen and nutrients to reach every area of your body, including your immune cells, water promotes healthy blood circulation. Water is necessary for the efficient operation of these cells, which constitute your body's natural defensive mechanism. Additionally, staying hydrated helps your liver and kidneys function properly so they can eliminate waste and toxic substances from your body. Your body may find it more difficult to fend off infections if you do not drink enough water. By keeping your cells healthy, you can make sure they remain resilient and prepared to defend you. You can help your immune system protect your body from disease and maintain your optimal health by drinking enough water. Develop the practice of drinking water every day to strengthen your immune system. You may be wondering how much water you should consume each day. Although 8 glasses is the usual norm, it truly depends on you and your way of living. You could require more on a hot day or if you are an active person. One useful tip is to be aware of your body. Avoid waiting until you are extremely thirsty. Instead, to prevent dehydration, drink water throughout the day. It may seem monotonous to always drink plain water, but do not worry. I have some entertaining ideas to add excitement. Slices of cucumber, lemon, or even berries can be added to your water. Mint leaves are also a fantastic choice. Without adding calories or sugar, these small additions give your water a tasty and refreshing taste. When you work out or engage in any other physical activity, it is imperative that you drink water. It helps you function at your peak by keeping your body hydrated. Drinking adequate water helps replenish the fluids your body loses through perspiration when exercising. Maintaining proper hydration also helps you avoid overheating and maintain your comfort level while moving. Water promotes healthy muscle function, preventing stiffness and cramping that might cause you to move more slowly. By assisting in the delivery of nutrients to your muscles, it also maintains a constant level of energy. Drinking water will keep you feeling strong and prepared to give it your all whether you are running, lifting weights, or participating in sports. To keep hydrated and perform at your best, make it a practice to drink water before, during, and after your workouts. One of the best ways to support your fitness objectives and help regulate your weight is to drink water. By making you feel full, water naturally reduces appetite and helps you avoid needless snacking. Additionally, it increases your metabolism, which makes it possible for your body to burn calories more effectively. Another easy strategy to reduce excess calories is to substitute water for high-calorie beverages like sodas or sugary juices. Maintaining a healthy weight also requires better digestion, which is enhanced by staying hydrated. Your body can better metabolize food and turn it into energy rather than storing it as fat when it has enough water. Your body will have the resources it needs to stay active, healthy, and in control of your weight if you drink water throughout the day. Another frequent complaint I hear is that I do not remember to drink enough water. Hey, we all experience that. However, drinking water throughout the day is made much simpler if you carry a reusable bottle. To help you remember, you can even set reminders or alarms on your phone. Additionally, always have a glass of water close by if you work at a desk. You can be out of sight and out of memory. On the other hand, you will automatically drink more if it is in front of you. Okay? Let us just pause to acknowledge the wonders of water. Consider it. It supports your digestion, keeps your skin looking radiant, prevents headaches, protects your kidneys, improves your mood and concentration, and even strengthens your immune system. It resembles a miraculous health beverage. The best aspect is that practically anyone can do it and it is completely natural. Keep a glass of water on hand and try to replenish it as frequently as you can, whether you are studying, cooking, or just lounging. Big transformations start with small behaviors. Let us go on to our video for today's language takeaway, which will help you expand your vocabulary. Hydrated. In this video, you most likely heard this word a lot. Being properly hydrated means that your body has enough water to function. It is similar to maintaining the proper balance of water in your body. For instance, drinking enough water helps avoid those terrible headaches caused by dehydration. Clean. When we discussed the benefits of water for your body, this word came up. Flushing is the process of cleaning something by passing liquid or water through it. Water, for instance, aids in the removal of pollutants that may be harmful to your health. Dehydration. When your body does not have enough water to function correctly, it is called dehydration. It is crucial to understand this one. Dehydration, for instance, can impair concentration and possibly result in headaches. Boost. The word boost refers to enhancing something by giving it more strength or support. For instance, drinking water strengthens your immune system. Slow. To be sluggish means to be slow, exhausted, or low on energy. For instance, try having a glass of water if you are feeling lethargic in the afternoon. Nutrients. The ingredients in food and water that your body requires to develop, maintain health, and produce energy are called nutrients. Fruits and vegetables, for instance, are rich in nutrients that are beneficial to your health. Reachable. Accessible refers to being simple to use, comprehend, or attain. For instance, one of the most readily available health resources is water. Set priorities. Treating something as more significant than other things is what this entails. For instance, I always finish my homework first before concentrating on less crucial ones. Remain alert. This is a colloquial expression for remain focused or alert. For instance, drinking enough water keeps you alert and productive throughout the day. Out of mind and out of sight. According to this proverb, you will forget about something if you do not see it. For instance, you may forget to drink water if your bottle is out of sight and out of mind. Okay, everybody. That concludes the episode for today. In addition to encouraging you to drink more water, I hope this movie improved your English listening comprehension. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful or if you had fun learning something new today. Additionally, do not forget to forward this video to your friends who are working on their English or who would benefit from a gentle reminder to have more water. I really appreciate you listening. Keep in mind that little routines can result in significant changes, and practicing your English is no exception. Continue to learn, continue to listen, and continue to attempt. See you on the upcoming episode. Be careful, drink plenty of water, and for now, goodbye.